Would you believe this Christmas wall art was made with Dollar Tree materials and cost less than $20 for both, including DIY frames? I'll show you how it's done. I painted a Dollar Tree 16 by 20 stretched canvas frame black. Yes, Dollar Tree Plus sells stretched canvas, a 2-pack for $5. Then I punched a small hole in the middle of the canvas through which I fed a 10-foot string of LED battery-operated fairy lights. Mine are remote controlled, but you can use whichever kind you'd like. I used 2 packs of Dollar Tree mini pine picks. They come flocked or glittered. I chose flocked because glitter and greenery go about as well together as peanuts and bubblegum. I cut the pick part from the pine picks because I wasn't planning on poking my pick into... let me rephrase that. I cut off the stems with wire cutters and then I started wrapping the strand of fairy lights around each individual pine pick. I wrapped and wrapped and wrapped until I felt I could give Vanilla Ice a run for the money. After my final wrap, I still had some fairy lights left over, and that was good because I intended to wrap some more. But first, I hot glued each pine pick onto the canvas into the shape of, you guessed it, a snowflake. When I had a passable approximation of nature's unique frozen miracle, I glopped some hot glue on a small pine cone and jammed it smack dab in the middle. I told you I wasn't done wrapping. When the glue set, I picked up the remaining fairy lights and went Biggie Smalls on that pine cone. Did you know he likes it when you call him Big Pine Cone? Well, that's a wrap, folks. We now have 2 beautiful works of Christmas art made all the better by fairy lights. Oh, and I made those 2 frames from a single $4 cedar fence plank from Lowe's, but you can use whatever frame you like. Follow us for more fun and easy holiday crafts and DIYs.